आज हम बात करने वाले हैं जेफरी सैक्स के रीसेंट एक्सप्लोजिव स्टेटमेंट पर, जिसमें उन्होंने यूएस प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप पर फिर से तीखी टिप्पणी की है, कॉलिंग द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स अ फेडिंग पावर एज ब्रिक्स नेशंस राइज ग्लोबली. According to noted economist Jeffrey Sachs, the US is losing its uncontested global dominance. Sachs says the United States still thinks it has global authority, but times have changed. United States दुनिया को अब भी कमांड करना चाहता है जैसे 30 से 40 साल पहले करता था. But reality is changing. उनका कहना है अमेरिका is still powerful, still dangerous because of its massive military. It still controls the global payment systems, turning access on and off like a tap. यानी अगर किसी कंट्री को पनिश करना हो, यूएस बस फाइनेंशियल स्विच ऑफ कर देता है, जैसे अभी रिसेंटली उसने रशिया यूक्रेन वॉर के टाइम पर रशिया के साथ किया. बट सैक्स सेज ये पावर भी अब वीकन हो रही है. He strongly criticized the American control over multilateral institutions and said that the IMF and World Bank may look global, but they are essentially US-dominated institutions, giving a symbolic example using Washington, D.C.'s geography. White House, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. Treasury Department, 1500 block. IMF and World Bank just a few blocks away. So according to him, the president can literally walk 30 seconds and tell IMF and World Bank what to do. Imagine the level of influence. So decisions on international loan sanctions, approvals, सब कुछ वॉशिंगटन के इन्फ्लुएंस से होता है. बट पिक्चर अब चेंज हो रही है. BRICS is expanding aggressively. He quoted Brazil's President Lula saying, "We don't need an empire over us." Today, BRICS 10, which refers to the 10-member grouping of emerging economies, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, represent around 46% of the world population and 41% of the world GDP. Sachs says that the BRIC countries now confidently look at G7 and say, "Who are you?" ब्रिक्स अब खुद के ट्रेड सिस्टम्स, करेंसी मैकेनिज्म्स और फाइनेंशियल पाथवेज बिल्ड कर रहा है विदाउट यूएसएस कंट्रोल. He also mentioned an intense episode recently when Trump restricted high-tech chip exports to China. Beijing retaliated by pausing rare earth magnets, which are essential to US defense and tech industry. And within 30 minutes, Sachs said the US surrendered. Because America realized its industrial capabilities had critical gap.